stories to keep you duly updated, but allow us to take a short break. But before we do that, let's give you a hint of what you'll be waking up to tomorrow on Kenya's bold newspaper, The Standard, because only the bold speak the truth. Make sure you grab yourself a copy. The main story encompasses the insecurity challenges faced at the Kenya-Ethiopia border region, the Turkana massacre, I beg your pardon, where there was a cross-border attack. A violent militia attacked at Todonyang, that is at Lake Turkana, and it claimed at least 20 lives and left many injured. The assailants ambushed fishermen, sparking fears of escalating violence. With casualties still unaccounted for, security forces are scrambling to contain tensions along the volatile Kenya-Ethiopia border. More details on page 5 of The Standard, including how knife gangs are holding Mathare residents hostage. That's a special report prepared by Investigations Desk. Make sure you find out more about the security challenges in Mathare. But equally, if you were watching the news last week, all to do with the health sector, private and rural hospitals actually hinted that they will down their tools come Monday. They won't be accepting any SHA services. Page 4 has more details on the sick nation and how hospitals are set to halt SHA services due to pending NHIF arrears. M23 pushes deeper into Eastern DRC. That's on the international pages, even as the national pages will inform you about how JKIA's vanishing billions, and all to do with that particular story, rather, all to do with 12 years of loans and no progress. So much encompassed in tomorrow's edition of The Standard. So do make sure you grab yourself a copy so you're adequately informed. We take a short break. Do stay with us. Coming up, what's fueling the cycle of violence in Mathare? We take a deep dive into the ruthless, knife-wielding gangs terrorizing residents.